Hi there, this is Chinkitan, also known as Mr. Chink Positive. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much for subscribing and thank you for tuning in every single day. Every single day I make an effort really to post something, and I just want to encourage you. For today, I want to share with you on how you can overcome what? Failure. Whether you like it or not, all of us have failed in life. Let me ask you these following questions. Have you ever failed in your exams? Nag-fail ka na rin ba sa pag-start up ng business? Or nag-fail ka rin ba sa relationship? You know what? Ang failure ay bahagi ng buhay nating lahat. The mere fact that we are trying to do something, hindi mo maiiwasan mag-fail. Marami tayong kabiguan sa buhay at marami pa tayong haharapin in the future. Believe me, hindi ba matatapos to? Pwede bang maiwasan to, Chinky? Yes, maiiwasan natin kapag tapos na tayo sa mission natin dito sa mundong ibabaw. But we cannot always stop failure from happening, but we can learn on how to overcome and how to cope with it whenever we experience it. Avoiding it will not solve the solution, but learning how to develop the coping mechanism is the way to go. So, ano yung gagawin natin on how to cope up with what? Failures. Number one, you got to accept its existence. You can move forward kung alam mo that failure is not a destination but only part of what? The journey. When you and I fail, hindi to katapusan ng mundo. As a matter of fact, in every failing opportunity or in every failure, there's an opportunity for us to learn and to improve. I do believe that you would agree. Kailangan magkaroon tayo ng tinatawag na ma-maintain natin yung tinatawag natin positive outlook sa buhay. Kapag dumarating yung failure, you can easily overcome it when you look at it as a lesson in life rather than as a failure. As a matter of fact, listen, when you spell the word called fail, okay, fail, F-I-A-L, come on, spell it after me, F-A-I-L. You know what it really stands for? Your first attempt in learning. Again, your first attempt in learning. The reason why you failed because you don't know better. So, learn from it. Number two, para maka-overcome tayo ng failure, identify the cause. Yung saan ba nagsisimula? It's an opportunity also for you to take advantage of the situation na pag-aralan. Ano ba yung pinagmumula ng failure mo? On how you can do better next time. Is it because of an attitude problem? Is it because nakulang ka sa skills? Is it kulang ka talaga sa resources? Kulang ka sa experience? Okay, ito. Para mas makarelate ka lalo. Let's say, hiniwalayan ka ng pag-ibig mo, no? Ng girlfriend mo, ng boyfriend mo. Kausapin mo siya na masinsinan at listen intently kung bakit naging ganun ang desisyon niya. Find out the reason kung ano ba yung dahilan kung bakit umayaw sa'yo. Ba't kayo nag-break? Ano bang pagkukulang? Kasi kung hindi mo inalam, you know what? You would tend to repeat the mistake next time. So, last but not the least, or the number three, in order for us on how to overcome failure, aside from number one, accept its existence, identify the cause. Number three, you got to ask for help. Kahit gaano ka-strong ang iyong fighting spirit, yung emotions mo, you still need other people na talagang to encourage you, to be with you pag may pinagdadaanan ka. Kapag sinasarili mo to, dahil feeling mo na kaya mo naman, na hindi. Pero alam mo, darating ang panahon, malulunod ka eh. Malulunod ka sa depression, malulunod ka sa kalungkutan, malulunod ka. Na there's a tendency, when you fail also, there's a tendency of blaming oneself. So, self-pity talaga ang kalaban mo dito. Kailangan mo na ibang tao na talagang who would really be objective, to really speak sense to you and to help you realize na it's time for you to move on. And last but not the least, in order for us to overcome failure aside from asking for help is what? Never, ever, ever lose hope. Kahit ano mangyari, huwag kang mawawalan ng pag-asa. There's a saying that says man can live without food for 40 days, but 3 days without water, 8 minutes without oxygen, but man cannot live without a second of hope. Kung mawawalan ka talaga ng pag-asa, you'll be stuck where you are right now at hindi ka makakapag-move on into the future. You would always live in the past, you will always blame in the past, you will always become a victim of the past. Just like John Maxwell always says, when there's hope the future, there is power in the present. When there is no hope in the future, there's no power in the present. Kaya kapatid, kung ikaw ay nakikinig ka and that watching this video, hindi aksidente that you're watching this. You just experience a tremendous failure in your life, whether it's relational, emotional, personal, whatever, or career. Let me tell you this, huwag ka mawawala ng pag-asa, because hope is your last yung parang oxygen mo to eh. If you have hope, you will be strong enough to pull out and overcome any types of failure. So right now, before I close, let me ask you and challenge you, ano ba yung failure na nangyari sa'yo recently or in the past na hindi ka pa rin makapag-move on? Paano mo na-handle ang situation ng failure? Ikaw ba ay nasa denial stage, nasa anger stage, or nasa depression stage? Do you believe that you can overcome? So if you cannot, okay, I suggest that you talk to someone right now and ask for help. Or if not naman, the most important thing in order for you the best help that you can ask from is you can ask help from God. Because it is only God who can give us the strength, the courage to overcome. That's the reason why God's grace is sufficient. His strength is made perfect in our weakness, so that His power can rest in us. I hope you learned something in this short video, and if you want to learn more, please continue to subscribe in my video in my YouTube. Please click like so that or subscribe so that you can follow me. Follow me on my Facebook account and my Twitter account and my Instagram account. Just type Chinkitan. And then on my Viber account, kung wala ka pang Viber, please follow me also on my Viber on public chat. I'm on public chat, type Chinkitan, and again click follow. And for tomorrow, okay, tomorrow, don't forget, tomorrow I will talk about how to overcome or stop addiction naman. If you're addicted to stuff, addicted to probably let's say pornography, addicted to smoking, addicted to drinking, addicted to anything that distracts you from really doing your main thing, I want you to tune in tomorrow. That will be my topic for tomorrow. This Chinkitan saying, to every problem there's always a solution. If you're not part of the solution, you're part of the problem. Always think positive.